Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're taking a look at this 2005 Yamaha Royal Star Venture with 39,592 miles. Powered by a 1294cc engine with a 5-speed transmission, the Venture puts out 97 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 89 foot-pounds of torque at 4,750 RPM. It has a seat height of 29.5 inches and a stock weight of 869 pounds. This bike comes equipped with a multi-function 4-speaker stereo system and cruise control and has been upgraded with a TRIKE kit, tank pouch, and a slipstream windshield. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is without a warranty. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking on the link on the right side of the video.